today. The weather is so nice. Now the storm is about to come. And it's windy too. It's getting cold. Oh, see the rush. Yesterday there's not even a rush. Now well, supposedly this storm will last the whole weekend. So I guess people are stocking up for the weekend. Oh my God! Welcome to Winter Wonderland. We finally have the snowstorm. Wow! Woohoo! Yeah. What did I tell you guys? After the calming weather yesterday, see? Look, look at that. Oh my God, Winter Wonderland finally here. Yes. The things you do for the vlog. Oh my God. Lord, keep them safe.